What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority. And today I'm gonna show you a very cool experiment about water tension. Let's check out what we're going to need. For this experiment we're going to need 2 glasses, one full, one empty, some kind of plastic cover, mosquito net, rubber band, and some kind of ball. As you can see, it's very see-through and there's a lot of holes in there. And water will go through it super easy, right? So let's test it. We're gonna put it on top of an empty glass, grab a rubber band, and put it on top of a glass, and kind of pull it from the side. So this part is like pretty stretched out, you know, so it doesn't have bumps. Kind of pull it from all of the angles. And now we have mosquito net stretched out right here. What will happen if we're gonna pour water in it? Basically it's going to super easy, as you can see. You see it? Super easy. Full glass of water. Now I'm gonna use this ball in case it fails, all the water fall in here. What I'm gonna do is grab the plastic cover, put it over, and like that. And guess what? Then if I let go, cover gonna suck into the glass and water is not gonna fall out. It's because of the pressure over here builds up and that's why it sucks in the cover. That's simple, everybody knows that. But what if I move this part? Why is the water not falling out? This is just a fish net and there's a lot of tiny holes, and more than tiny. It's like a net, I mean fish net, mosquito net. There's a lot of tiny holes and it should be falling super easy, and that's not falling out. What if I like kind of drop it? Boom, and all water falls out. And as you can see, there's a lot of tiny holes there. And if again we're gonna pour water back into the glass, look how easy it's going to. But then if you're gonna put the cover over here, put it over, remove the cover, water is not coming out. Why is that? There's so many holes over there. But it's simply because of the water tension. It's like stuck in there and not falling out. This is super cool, huh? Let's see if I can get a shot under the net. Alright, here's the glass. I'm gonna put it upside down. And then simply remove the cover, slide off, I mean, like this way. And as you can see, water is not falling out. And you see how many tiny holes over there, but because of the water tension, it's not falling out. If I move a little, you see, water falls out super easy. And still some left on top of the glass right here. If I touch it, break the water tension, it's going through all these holes. How cool is that? Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked that video. Let me know what you think in comments below, and if you did like it, thumbs up this video. And if you like this kind of videos, subscribe to my second channel. Links in description, and as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.